Hey friends, welcome back to another Minecraft video. It's actually been a little while since we actually did one. Reece is over there watching Minecraft.
This is totally Minecraft.
Totally Minecraft, real world Minecraft, which is actually why we're doing this, because I got an email from somebody who we used their textures in a previous Minecraft video that we did. In case you don't remember, we did a realistic Minecraft video. Oh wait, no, this is a different one. This is the stop motion one Catlin did. Go watch that video. You haven't watched enough of it, okay? People haven't watched our stop motion Minecraft video enough, okay? I'm talking more actually this one right here. Your PC can't handle this version of Minecraft where not only did we have new updated textures, as you can see in just a second, as soon as I don't freaking do it, it also had real-time ray tracing. Well, the guy who made those textures got in touch with me again and showed me this. Yeah, look at that. That laptop. Oh, look at that. There's a PC too. Holy crap. So, I'm gonna download it, I'm gonna get it installed, and we're gonna play this version of Minecraft. That's what I want to do. Actually, I'm lying, I already have it installed. So there's a couple things that you need to do. Number one, you need to follow the complete Minecraft installation tutorial in case that's something that you care about. You install Optifine, Forge, and then get the shader mod and texture packs that you're gonna use. And also you need Sonic Ether's Path Trace Global Illumination for Minecraft. I support him on Patreon, which is how I get this. I think it's $10 a month to get it the fastest. Yeah, the experimental ones. Anyways, you can check that out. And then you just need to make sure that your Minecraft folder is totally fine. So you hit Command R, you go to App Data, Minecraft. You need to make sure that everything that Ultimate Immersion says is fine, which is obviously having the Path Trace Global Illumination, as well as changing the emissive PTGI files. And in case you want to try this out for yourself, Ultimate Immersion also does have a Patreon where you can pick this up as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. I have the mods installed, Optifine, as well as the Immersion mod. I have the resource packs, which I'm gonna be using. I have the shader pack installed. That's the big thing that you just really have to work on. The emissive PTGI files have to be put into the ray tracing files, so in case you care about that. So let's load up Minecraft. I've already got everything set up. Let's see how this looks. Honestly, I just want to see what a realistic computer looks like in Minecraft. I forgot to set my RAM amount, but that should be fine. Here we go, loading up the modern interiors. We're running this on my PC with a Ryzen 9 3950X, as you can see here, with an RTX 2080 Ti, so we won't have any bottlenecks as far as I can see. The mods are completely, oh, go away. The mods are completely installed, as you can see there. The shaders are totally fine as well. We've got the Sonic Ether one set up, as well as all of the shader options configured as it was supposed to be configured according to the email from Ultimate Immersion. So full ray trace reflections is on, screen space reflections is on, screen space GI tracing, and then everything's set properly, as well as the light and shadow options. So now let's go ahead and look at it. Go ahead. We're gonna load up one of the maps that Ultimate Immersion suggests and actually lists on his website. You gonna load, baby? Okay, now I want to see what my frame rate is. There we go. Now we're running 75 FPS. Great, great. But I also want this full screen. Why is it so small? There we go. We got Minecraft. Okay, so at 1080p we are getting 37 FPS. Wow. But this looks beautiful. Reece, what do you think of this?
Oh snap!
Right? This is Minecraft.
That looks so good though.
Yeah, it does. Look at that. Look at those textures. That's gorgeous. The glass and the ray tracing is just phenomenal.
I kind of want to play Minecraft again.
Right? Well, with a 2080 Ti, we're only hitting 37 FPS. I actually think this is because of a RAM bottleneck, because I only have 16 gigs in this system, and we're using 14 gigs, as you can see in the top left-hand corner. Actually, you guys can't see that. We're using 14 gigs of RAM. And that's not good. So I think you would need 32 to run this, because I absolutely can see it needing more, but jeez, crow. The water just looks so freaking good.
Yeah. What map is this?
This is a fan-made map, I think. It's a custom one. But this looks gosh dang good, but that's not why we're here. We're here because we want to see PCs. We want to see realistic PCs. Isn't that right, Reece?
Of course.
So let's go ahead and load up the map that I've already got for this, where I had PCs set up. Oh, this is also gorgeous. Look at this, like, villager town, dude. Check this. Realistic shadows. Hello, Mr. Man. Oh, I have a PC in my hand. I forgot about that.
check the shadow of the PC. It's like shining through at points
What do you mean?
where there's like glass in the PC. Look at shadow.
Oh, wow. Holy crap. Oh, yeah, like the shadow is, like there's nothing right there. Hectic. So I actually set up my LAN center over here already. I kind of played around. I have so many laptops on the ground. Check this. Look at the laptops. Look at all the laptops.
Why
Look at all the
are there so many?
PCs. Holy crap. So this looks really freaking good. Dang. You got an RGB Ultimate Immersion GPU. You got 4 sticks of Ultimate Immersion RAM, which looks nearly identical to the Trident Z RGB. Oh man, this looks phenomenal. Holy crap. Laptops look good. And guess what? You can also interact with them. Oops, got rid of it. Okay, I'll just open this one. And then with this one, you can turn this on and off. That's kind of it at this point as far as I'm aware. There are more things, like you can put down a 4K ultra-wide monitor. Oh, crap. No, frick. I don't play Minecraft, so I don't know the controls. There we go. It blue screened. Crap. Reece, it blue screened.
No.
My PC blue screened. Damn it. It's also kind of unrealistic because it's not attached to a computer. But, I mean, in case you want to have a virtual ray traced Minecraft setup in Minecraft, you could have 4K ultra wide monitors everywhere and just create your ultimate LAN center. This is kind of cool. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed, but it kind of is just like open and shut, turn on and off, and not necessarily use it as a computer, which makes me sad. I was hoping it was like one of those mods where you can play Pokemon, but dang, this does look freaking good as a, oh, you guys can't see it. But his video, I mean, it shows the PC looking really freaking good. There's a lot of effort that went into this, and so I'm not gonna poo-poo the things that he's done. Look at that motherboard. There's so much detail on that. We're gonna go back to the game and see what it looks like, not just with the. Oh man. I was hoping I could interact more than this, but it makes sense that you can't. Let's go back to the game. Okay. Let's take a look at these PCs. Let's go out in the open here. I don't need a fridge. Crap. Frick. Okay. Dang. That's just a heckin' ton of detail. That's a lot of display out too. 3 display port, 3 HDMI, and then a Type-C. That's ridiculous. Holy crap. The power supply switches off. Come on. How can you have a PC that's on when the power supply switches off and not even plugged in? And then where's the GPU graphics power, huh? Where are the cables? The motherboard can't turn on. There's no cables, man. You went like 25% of the way. And look at those VRM heatsinks that aren't even spinning when the PC turns on. I'm crapping on this, but I absolutely love this, and I think this looks fantastic. Dang. Got 4 USB 3 on the front. That's a lot. And what's the motherboard have? The motherboard has a display port, an HDMI, 4 USB 2, 4 USB 3, a Gen 1, a USB 3.1 Type A, and a USB 3.1 Type C. Then hopefully that's a gigabit LAN. I mean, there's a lot of detail in this. I love it. It does look like some of the assets, like on the CPU cooler and right down here at the case, are just the same assets that are used as the PCI Express expansion covers, but that's not necessarily such a big deal. I think this is beautiful. Reece, did you want a ray trace laptop? RGB laptop in Minecraft?
That's actually gorgeous.
The next step has to be getting these to be usable. Otherwise, I'm gonna be sad. And they even have I/O on the side. Look at that. What's on the other side? I gotta plan a new one. On the other side, we got 3 USB 3. Dang. Then on the back, we got an HDMI. Hopefully that's mini display port. That might be Type-C. Power input, Ethernet, than what's on this side. That looks like 2 USBs, but it also looks like it might be HDMI and DisplayPort on that side as well. Dang. This is gorgeous. Well, that's it for checking out the Ultimate Immersion mod. Why don't you guys check the links in the video description in case you're interested in supporting Ultimate Immersion and Sonic Ether in their efforts to make the best looking Minecraft that you could possibly have. I love always checking these out and running them, even if it does take a 2080 Ti to hit 37 FPS on these things. It's gorgeous. Anyways, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, get subscribed, and goodbye. What?
What now?
I'm filming.
Oh, good.
I'm doing a video. You're in it.
I'm in it.
You're in it.
Let me move.
No, Reece, this is how Brandis is supposed to work. We're not supposed to give no fricks.
Oh, that's cool.
Yes.
I'm gonna,
You just watch whatever you want in the background. I don't care.
I'm getting videos for later.